How to convert PNG to JPG in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily convert PNG image to JPG on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the Photos app on your phone. And from there, simply pick the image that you want to convert. For this video, I'll select one picture. And once I have selected that, I'm simply gonna tap on copy. And once I have copied that, I'm simply gonna open the Files app. And once I have opened the files, I'm gonna simply navigate to the folder where I want to save the converted image. And once I am there, I'm simply gonna paste the copied photo there. And once the image is pasted, I'm simply gonna tap on it to select it. Now I'm gonna simply look for the three dot icon in the bottom right corner and simply gonna tap on it. And from the pops-up menu that comes up, I'm simply gonna tap on convert image. And from there in the option, I'm gonna simply select JPEG as the format. And you can also choose the image size. I recommend going with a medium size for a good balance of quality and file size. And once you do that, your image will be converted to JPEG. And that's it folks. It's super simple, right? Now you know how to convert PNG to JPG. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.